Elsewhere, the National Emergency Management Agency has assured victims of last Friday's flood disaster in Ondo State of adequate federal government support. Director General of the agency, Zubaida Umar, gave the assurances when she visited the state for an on-the-spot assessment of the recent flood disaster. Ondo State has more.
Last Friday's flooding left sour taste in the mouths of many residents in Ondo town. The flood rendered many residents homeless and submerged vehicles and houses.
As it's falling, just spread everywhere, has spoiled every place. Along the line around 10 o'clock, we saw a man that is coming like this. Here was flooded, the cloth, everything. In fact, there's one man that died and the water just take the man away. There's one bike that the flood just take away. This
development prompted the Director General of the National Emergency Management Agency, NEMA, Zubaida Umar, to embark on an on-the-spot assessment of the affected areas. After a brief discussion with the state governor at the airport, the team proceeded to a meeting with the state number 2 citizen, Olaide Adelami.
And from the day that the floods broke out, we mobilized our staff from the Ekiti office and they've been on ground, working in conjunction with the State Emergency Management Agency.
The Director General and our team are also at the Palace of Oshima, way of Ondo, Oba Victor Kiladejo, before moving to assess the extent of the damage caused by the flood. She assured the victims of urgent federal government intervention. The DG, who expressed sadness over the flood, said the cause of the incident must be ascertained.
Big one, we have seen it, and this brings home the fact that we need to do much more as people in terms of clearing waterways and also avoiding building on waterways. Having said that, we've seen it, we've done a rapid assessment, and we're going to go back and see how we can collaborate.
Putting us together, we are having some discussion. There will be need for government agency, to intervene, because it will require a lot of channelization.
I want to advise our people to calm down. The government are on ground, the state government, the federal government are on ground, and they've done their assessment, and of course let's give them time to be able to respond to our needs.
The visit came 4 days after the flood ravaged some parts of Ondo town. Ondo State, TVC News.